Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper for your screen for iPhone 15 series. This is iPhone 15 Pro. So I will show you how to change this. Is when I did iCloud backup, it goes back to the old one, which is to us like the screen of iPhone 10s. So we go to settings here on your iPhone 15 series. Okay, on settings we scroll down to wallpaper. I think this, yeah, need to go to wallpaper, tap on wallpaper here, wallpaper. Yeah, this is settings and then wallpaper. Now this is customize. You can customize it, add new wallpaper, or just can customize here, and then you can go to add new wallpaper. So when you are here, tap on add new wallpaper. Now here you got lots of options. You can go to your photos in your album to choose your own photos, family photos or people photo shuffle, or if you got any live taken photos, or if you want to add the emoji, it's possible to put on the as a wallpaper, weather, astronomy and color. So, and the featured one for with iPhone 15 Pro wallpapers is astronomy, weather, emoji, color, collection. So emoji you got a lot. Add as widgets you can add or cancel. So if you want add or cancel this one, if you like add, it will be your wallpaper for your iPhone screen, or cancel. This is the screen. This is on my screen. You can put screen on as my photos, suggested photos, wallpaper, photo shuffle, weather and astronomy. You can put from weather and astronomy, or kaleidoscope, emoji, unity photos, emoji photos, wallpapers, kaleidoscope, this purple nice, pride, design with the colors of the pride flag to celebrate the LGBTQ plus community. It's 2 wallpapers here, and we got collections, as you can see now here. Then we go to color, multicolors. This is all wallpapers on iPhone 15 Pro. So I prefer for myself to choose or to add from section from weather and astronomy section, live weather and astronomical conditions of your current location. So we got some here from weather and astronomy, and I prefer to choose that one here, It's up to you what you choose. Allow astronomy to use your approximate location. Up to you. Allow while using app or allow once. Okay, now this is different. You can change here, or you go back to this one. You see here you can check the world map. You can choose what you want to add from only this section. Now I prefer, again, this one is nice design. Saturn, other name Uranus, Neptune, solar system, Jupiter, Mars, Moon detail in detail, or Earth detail, Venus, Mercury. That's it. So go back to Saturn. I decided this one. So here you need to tap on add or cancel. So I add, set as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. You can say customize home screen, and then how you like to be edit the colors pair. Then you need to click done here. Let's see how is the screen now. It will be like this looking. You can go back to customize. To another one, but as I said from beginning, I prefer Saturn, this one. So I click tap done. That's it, done. That's it. New wallpaper edit. This is how to add a new wallpaper to your iPhone screen, iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.